In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an online store with AI using only your phone. To get started, go to Webstarts AI and tap the button that says, Get Started, it's free. On the next step, enter the category name for the type of online store you'd like to create. For this example, I'll be creating a store that sells makeup and related products. So I found the closest category name, which happens to be Makeup Artist. After tapping Continue, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your site. Enter a name and tap Continue again. It's now time to select the interactive apps you'd like to include on your site. Because I'm creating a store, I'm sure to select that app. But I also want to create blog posts to drive web traffic to my store. And since I want to chat with my customers, I'm going to select that app as well. Tap Continue and AI generates your website based on your selections. You can customize your site further by tapping the Regenerate button for each section. When you're happy with the look and feel of your site, tap Continue and sign up for an account. Once your account is created, you can choose to view and edit your site as well as add a domain to it and share your web address. Tapping the Edit Site button will open the simple editor and allow you to make more precise changes to your site. To edit text, tap on a text box and then tap Edit Text and begin typing. Tap to select an image and then tap Change Image to swap them out. You can search for images in the library, or you can upload your own. Tap on any element on your website to make edits. For example, tap on the map to change the location. Tap on the form to change the recipient. Tap on the accordion to update your content. Or tap on Social Bar to update your social media links. You can view your site on the web by tapping the View Site icon. While tapping the Save icon will save and publish your site. Tapping the back icon will return you to the dashboard. There, tap Add Domain to add a domain name to your site. You can either register a new domain or connect one you already own. Either way, adding a domain name is a premium feature that first requires you have a paid subscription. Tap the X in the top right and return to the dashboard. Tap the Store panel to manage your online store. The first time you open the Store app, you'll be prompted to add a product. Tap the plus button and enter a name and description for your first product. You can optionally add tags to help your product be found when people search your online store. Tap Add Images. You can either upload your own product images or search for them in the library. Enter your product's price in the field provided. There are many options when it comes to adding products to your store. You can create an SEO-friendly URL slug, create and assign your products to a category, enter the shipping weight, set up variables, and more. When you're ready to create your product, tap the Create button. Tap View on the menu to see what your store looks like on the web. You must set up a payment processor before your store can begin taking payments. Tap Settings and select the desired payment processor. We recommend you use Stripe. Because it's easy to set up, the costs are competitive, and it's well supported. Once you've signed up for a Stripe account, connect it by tapping the alert on the top of the Payment Settings view. Tap on the Shipping tab, and you'll find default shipping rules for both domestic and international shipments. Customize your shipping rules according to the methods and places you want to ship. Tapping on the Tax tab, you can customize your tax rules. With your payment processor, shipping, and tax rules configured, you're ready to begin accepting orders. When an order is placed, you'll receive both push and email notifications. Tap the Order tab to manage your orders. Tap on the Expansion menu to view order details or on Tracking to enter a tracking code. When you enter a tracking code, it will automatically be emailed to the person who placed the order. Like orders, you can manage customers by tapping the Customers tab. There you can view and edit customer information, like their shipping address, as well as view their order history. There are many other options and features of the Store app, but with the basics covered in this video, you'll be selling online in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to visit Webstarts AI to create a free online store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.